Are you shy of going live on TikTok? Or you don't have anything to say to keep your audience engaged so that they can start sending you gifts on TikTok? Watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to review a secret that will earn you $1,000, like minimum of $1,000 in a month. All right, so if you have your TikTok app on your phone, let's dive in. All right, locate your app on your phone.
So the first thing you are going to do here, you are going to locate your TikTok app. All right, so look at my TikTok app here. So I'm going to click on it.
Creating content on TikTok,
So once
and you're
my
getting
TikTok
low
is open
performance,
like
low
this, the
views,
next thing I'm going to
no
do,
one
I'll
is
click
reaching
on my
out to you,
profile.
you definitely want to watch
And
this
the
video.
profile is
The first type of
located
content
by
is
my
vlog.
right hand side,
TikTok was
below my
created
right
for
hand side here. So
entertainment
I'll
and
click on it. It's going to take me down here. So you can see these three horizontal line there, the icon there. Just click on it. It's going to bring these options out. All right, you can see creators tools. Leave the rest, click on creators tools. All right, so I'll click on it right now. All right, so this is awesome. This is the exactly place we are going. You can see monetization. All right, you can see all the monetization tools here. We have the first one, subscription. We have video gifts. We have work with artists. I've made a tutorial on work with artists before. If you need a video for that, watch this video. We have life gifts. Then we have creators. Okay, we have creator portal. We have artist hub. All right, so then you can add yours. So the one we are going to look on today is subscription. All right, so I'm going to click on that subscription right now. All right, so once you click on it, it's going to open like this. All right, so click on start again. So once you do that, they are going to bring some description. So you have to have live access, go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days, have at least 1K subscriber. You need to have 1K subscriber. Please hold. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or like this video so that it can get to others. All right, so if you have about all this subscription here, like if you have 20,000 subscribers, 50,000, the way I'm just showing it there, so the more you have subscribers, the more earning you have. All right, so go through this, scroll down and click on get start to launch it, so you start earning your money. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video, look at the start button there. If you found this video useful, subscribe.